As we discussed previously, okay, we are discussed how to draw a pentagon, how to draw a prism. So now, okay, edges which you found should be thick. You have to write very thick. Okay, the center line should be medium thin. This is the one edge you are writing very thick. This is the other edge. B and D is the two edges, so we are writing a thick line. C is a corner with having two inclined equal inclination, okay, edges, so we are writing a thick line. After explaining the first position, the second position, it is tilting with respect to one of its axes. Okay, it is been tilting. We are hold this axis, you have to tilt in such a way that if you tilt it, okay, the axis should be inclined to 40 degrees. If the axis is inclined to 40 degrees, then what is my formula? This you have to be think it is an equilateral triangle where this one should be of 90 degrees. So total angle of the triangle is 180 degrees minus 90 to total. Okay, if you do minus, it is 90 minus 40, will get the remaining angle called as 50. So okay, take anywhere point, one point is called as a1 dash of d e1 dash. From this point, put your protractor at the center, measure 50 degrees, draw a thin line. After measuring the 50 degrees, so you have to measure a1 dash of e1 dash and c1 dash line. Put your compass at the point a1 dash of e1 dash, cut an arc, then you will got the point called as c1 dash. Later, take your protractor, keep your protractor this, okay, like this, at this as a reference line. Put your protractor like this, measure 90 degrees. Same here, put your protractor like this, measure 90 degrees. Later, measure c1 dash, c dash line. Put your compass at the point c1 dash, cut an arc. Put your compass at the point a1 dash of e1 dash, cut an arc. These two lines should be of equal length. After this, close this line, join this line, so we will get the 4 points at a time. Then measure either c1 dash of b1 dash of d1 dash, otherwise a1 dash of e1 dash, b1 dash of d1 dash line, this line or this line. Always measure a larger line. Put your compass at, if I measure a1 dash of e1 dash, b1 dash of d1 dash line, I will put my compass at the point a1 dash of e1 dash, cut an arc. Then you got this point. Okay, with the same compass, put your compass at the point here, cut an arc along this line. Then you will get b dash of d dash, b1 dash of d1 dash. Okay, got it. Now measure a1 dash of e1 dash, o1 dash. Put your compass at the point a1 dash of e1 dash, cut an arc. Then you got the point called as o1 dash. This is how you have to draw the second position front view. Project it downwards. First I will complete this phase, later I will enter this to this phase. Now project it downwards, a1 dash, intersection of a1 dash and a will give the point called as a1. Intersection of b1 dash and b will give the point called as b1. Intersection of c1 dash and c will give the point called as c1. Intersection of d1 dash and d will give the point called as d1. Okay, later after completing this phase, I will jump to this phase, project it downwards again according to the alphabet. A1, a dash, intersection of a dash and a1 will give the point called as a. Intersection of a b dash and b will give the b1 will give the point called as b. Intersection of c1 dash and c will give the point called as c. Intersection of d1 dash and d will give the point called as d. Now how to, okay, what is my rule? First rule, after identifying all these points, identify the extreme outside points. What are the extreme outside points? I'll start from here. A, B, B1, C1, D1, D and A is the extreme. D1, sorry, this point is E. Now again, A, B, B1, C1, D1, D and E are the extreme points. I will join with a thick line immediately. Now view from here. After drawing this, view from here. If we view from here, this point a1 dash of e1 dash, you can't able to see it very clearly. a1 dash of e1 dash, this point is this point. Okay, now this a1 dash of e1 dash, this point. Okay, now a1 e1. Okay, draw with a dashed line, thick dashed line. Later, with these 2 points, whatever the line passes and connects to other points, all these lines will become hidden lines. All these lines will become hidden lines. This is a simple way you have to remember. Okay, again draw this. If you see from there, you can't able to see these 2 points, a1 dash of e1 dash. This relates to these 2 points, a1 e1. Put a dashed straight lines. After connecting this with this point, whatever the line passes and joins to the other points, like this, joins to the other points, all these lines will become the hidden lines. Hope you understand the second position. We'll continue to the third position.